New beginnings aren't easy, but you're not alone. At Kaplan Business School, we pride ourselves on supporting our students to achieve their goals. There are people who care about you and who are committed to helping you along the way. Kaplan Business School is an inclusive community where student diversity is recognised and celebrated. We foster an environment that inspires our students and staff. We value the relationships we build, standing together as global citizens, included and valued. At Kaplan Business School, we nurture a learning culture that celebrates creativity, engagement, and critical thinking. We are a globally recognised institution, respected for our student support and graduate outcomes. We celebrate achieving your goals. Together, we're stronger. Kaplan Business School, creating success together.